Hello guys, welcome back to STEM Trainers YouTube channel. Now today we are going to do the binomial expansion topic. It is there in A level, SL, HL. Okay, so I'm assuming some things here, some basic, very basic things that I'm assuming that you already know. So even if you don't know, I'm writing it here. That is first is NCR. I am assuming you know NCR. NCR is nothing but equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now, if you don't know these basics, you can go to our channel and go for the basics in binomial expansion and you can check that video. Okay, now next thing is, now what's the binomial theorem? Now this is the binomial theorem that a plus b power n, where n is, now we are doing it for natural numbers. So where n is a natural number, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. So a plus b power n is nc0 b power 0 a power n plus nc1 b power 1 a power n minus 1 and so on till the last term, that is ncn b power n a power 0. Now a power 0 b power 0 both are 1, just saying that. And now the most important thing in this is this general term, this term tr plus 1. This is known as a general term, or you can say r plus 1th term. Okay, so this is the most important, and we will be using this formula only for solving all the questions. So what is this term? tr plus 1 is equal to ncr b power r a power n minus r. Okay, so we need to remember this. Now to move further, what are the things that you need to know is what are factorials, how to find NCR values like 5C2, 5C3, 6C4, 10C3, how to find these values. You must know this general term expression. You must remember this, otherwise you will not be able to understand the lecture. So these three things you must know this. Okay, let's start the question. Now there will be a basics video on binomial expansion also. You can check that also before coming here. Okay, first question. Find and simplify first three terms in ascending power of x in the binomial expansion of this. Okay, now we know this. This is 1 plus 2x power 7. Now as you can see here, if it is power n, then we know there will be n plus 1 terms. So 1 more than the n. These many terms will be there. So now here you have n as 7. So we know there will be 8 terms in this. Okay. Now in these 8 terms, they want only first 3 terms. Now which 3 terms? In ascending power of x. So what do we do is, first thing in almost every binomial question, what you will do is you will write this general term. So first I will write is general term. Now see how I am writing. tr plus 1 is ncr. N is 7, so 7cr times b power r. B means the second number or the second term that is there. So this acts as our b. The first term acts as our a. So b power r, that is 2x power r. And first term, that is 1 power n minus r, that is 7 minus r. And we know 1 power 7 minus r will always be 1. So I'm just simplifying this little bit. So I will get 7cr 2x power r. So now this is my general term. Now to find the terms, that is the first 3 terms, what I will do is, we will find t1. So how we will find t1? We will take r as 0. As you can see, if I need this to be 1, I have to take r as 0. So I am taking r as 0. So t1 equals 7c0 2x power 0. Now remember, this is just for your understanding. You don't have to write this. R we are taking as 0. Now the second term. Second term means, to make it second term, r should be 1. So I'm taking r as 1. So I will get 7c1 2x power 1. Now the third term means r will be 2, not 3. Just remember this. Sometimes students make mistake in this. So r is 2. So when we take r as 2, so it will be 2x power 2. So now, so they have said find and simplify. So let's simplify this. 7c0 is, you can use calculator also. This will be 1 only. And 2x power 0 is also 1. Second is 7c1. 7c1 is 7. 2x is 2x. So 7 into 2x is 14x. So this will be my second term. Now my third term, 7c2. If you can use calculator, or you can find using my special method also, that is 21. So 21 into 4 is 84. So this will be 84 x square. So these are the three terms. So that's it. We have to find it. Okay, now in this, the most important thing I am again repeating is the finding the general term. In every question, you have to find general term. Okay, let's try one more question in this. Now in this question, we will have to think little bit. Second question is, find the coefficient of x power 6 in 2 minus x square over 4 power 6. Now we know this. When we will use our binomial theorem and we will write the expansion of this, there will be 7 terms. Now just remember, there will be n plus 1 term. So n is 6 here, so 6 plus 1 is 7 terms. So out of these 7 terms, there might be, we are not sure, there might be a term in which we have x power 6. Right? So we need the coefficient of x power 6 if it is there. Okay, if it is there, we have to find it. Okay, so what we will do is, first we will find the most important thing is the general term. So general term, tr plus 1 is equal to ncr, n is 6 here, ncr times b power r. B means the second term, whatever is the second term here, minus x square over 4. Now remember this, students sometimes forget to take these minus signs. So be very careful in this. You have to take proper signs also. Here it is minus sign. Okay, b power r, then a. A is first term power n minus r. N is 6, r is r. Okay, so now this is my general term. Now I have to think, is there any x power 6 term in this? So for that, my most important term becomes is this term, because only this term have x. So now you have to think, what r value should I take to make it x power 6? Now as you can see, it is nothing but x power 2 power r. Now obviously 4 is there, negative is there. So this is nothing but 2r. Now can 2r be equal to 6? Of course, yes, if r is 3. So all you have to do now is, you have to say this will contain x power 6 if r is 3. So when we take r as 3, so now what I will do is substitute r. So 3 plus 1 will become 4. So I can write t4 is equal to 6c3 minus x square over 4 power 3 into 2 power 6 minus 3. So that will be my fourth term. So now let's simplify this. This is nothing but 6c3. Now what is the value of 6c3? You can use calculator, or you can use the orally also you can solve. 6c3 is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 by 6, that is 20. Okay, so 20 into, now minus x square power 3, that will be x power 6 into negative sign, because it's minus 1 power 3 divided by 4 cube times, this is nothing but 2 power 3. Now use your calculator to find this value. And what is this value? This value is nothing but minus 5 over 2 x power 6. Now this is nothing but just our fourth term in this expansion. There will be 7 terms. This is the fourth one in ascending power of x. Okay, now what they are asking for in question is they are asking for coefficient of x power 6. So our answer is minus 5 by 2. The coefficient of x power 6 is minus 5 by 2. So that's the answer. So this is how you have to apply this binomial theorem expansion and this general term formula to solve questions. We will see more in the next coming videos.